Hey guys, what's going on? You can't see me right now because it's blurry, but we're gonna be installing some Z32 calipers today. I got all of them in this box, 6 of them, 2 for the hydro, and then the rest are for the actual braking system. And me and Jack are about to get ripping on this, right Jack?
Oh dude, yeah.
Okay, wheels are off, Jack's wapsing over there, and then we're gonna start putting the rotors on, throwing these calipers on, and hopefully this thing's gonna be driving today. Okay. Whoa, hold on. Okay, got brakes off, rotors off, and we're moving right now. We're going quick, so we're gonna throw these on. I'm gonna throw the calipers on. We'll be good to go. Okay, well we're kind of at a standstill because I made a stupid mistake, and instead of ordering Z32 rotors for the rear, I ordered stock S13 rotors that are 4 to 5 lug. So as you can tell, exact same rotors, and yeah. So now I gotta get some new ones. So since the rear calipers can't be installed today, we're gonna go and do the front. Jack's already ripping right now, and these are the fronts. Absolutely massive rotors. So we're gonna throw those on and get it on the ground.
What are these for, dude?
What?
You gonna tell them?
What? What do you mean?
Those, dude.
What are you talking about?
What are those going on, dude?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh, alright.
I don't know what this dude's on about right now.
Hi, dude.
Rotors on, about to put the caliper on. I think Jack's ahead over there. What's going on over there, Jack?
Nothing.
Oh, damn. Whoa, damn. Did you look at that? Put my side on now.
Beefcake over here.
Damn, that looks sick. Got the wheel on. Plenty of room. Plenty. I could run a fucking 15 if I wanted to. So anyway, that's on. Just gonna put the other wheel on. Jack's fixing a brake line. We'll go over that in the video of me driving this thing. And yeah, I got the coil cover on. So that's pretty much it for now. Still gotta do the rears. I don't know if I'm gonna show that because I'm sure you guys get the point. Think they get the point?
They got the point.
Think I should end it then?
Yeah, wrap her up.
Alright, I'm gonna wrap it up. I'm zoomed in, but anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Hope you like these sick calipers because I love them. And that's it. So, peace out.